What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's get into it. Are you looking for a budget car? Means you're at the right place, because this video will be looking at the most reliable and most affordable Suzukis in South Africa to buy cars. So if you're a Suzuki fan, this is the right video for you. But if you're not looking for a Suzuki and you're looking for something classy, something more stylish, or maybe a family car or a 6-seater or an off-road vehicle, then please do make sure to check out our videos right here, and I hope you find what you like. So like, comment, share and subscribe, share the video, and let's see how it goes. First up, with the 2023 Suzuki Vitara Brezza 1.5 GLX. It's red in color and it has a platinum Dekra sticker. The mileage is at 9,708 kilometers. The drive type is 4x2, which means it is a two-wheel drive. The transmission is manual. The fuel type is petrol. The consumption is sitting at 6.21 kilometers to the 100. The engine cap is 1462 cc. This car is going for 263,900. You can finance it from 5,166 rands per month. Next up, with the 2023 Suzuki Swift 1.2 GLX. It's red in color and it has a platinum Dekra sticker. The mileage is currently at 19,000 kilometers. The drive type is 4x2, which means it is a two-wheel drive. The transmission is manual. The fuel type is petrol. The consumption is sitting at 4.91 kilometers to the 100. The engine cap is 1197 cc. This car is going for 223,900. You can finance it from 4,439 rands per month. Hey yo, if you haven't liked this video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It motivates me to keep on posting more content like this. Shout out to you. Next up with the 2020 Suzuki Jimy 1.5 GLX. It's grey in color, it has a platinum Decra sticker. The mileage is currently on 105,772 kilometers. The drive type is 4x4, which means a 4-wheel drive. The transmission is manual. The fuel type is petrol. The consumption is sitting at 6.31 kilometers to the 100. The engine cap is 1462 cc. This car is going for 304,900. You can finance it from 5,912 rands per month. Next with the 2021 Suzuki Vitara Brezza 1.5 GLX Auto. It's white in color, it has a platinum Decra sticker. The mileage is currently on 30,000 kilometers. The drive type is 4x2, which means it is a 2-wheel drive. The transmission is automatic. The fuel type is petrol. The consumption is sitting at 6.21 kilometers to the 100. The engine cap is 1462 cc. This car is going for 267,900. You can finance it from 5,239 rands per month. Next up with the 2019 Suzuki Vitara 1.6 GLX Auto. Is silver in color and it has a green Decra sticker. The mileage is currently on 89,000 kilometers. The drive type is 4x2, which means it is a 2-wheel drive. The transmission is automatic. The fuel type is petrol. The consumption is sitting at 6.1 kilometers to the 100. The engine cap is 1586 cc. This car is going for 196,900. You can finance it from 3,948 rands per month. Hey yo, if you've reached this far, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Comment down below what you wanna see next and catch you on the next one. Boom.